Hey everyone, are you curious to know what's next for 2025? Let's dive into the trends shaping the future of additive manufacturing. First, industrial-grade 3D printing continues to expand. Industries like aerospace, automotive and healthcare are using 3D printing to create high-strength parts from advanced materials like titanium and composites. This allows for optimized designs that reduce weight, improve performance, and meet strict quality standards. Next is the growth of multi-material 3D printing. This technology allows parts to be printed with different materials in a single build, combining properties like rigidity and flexibility. For example, it's ideal for creating medical devices that need both hard and soft sections for better functionality. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are also transforming additive manufacturing. AI optimizes print path, predicts failures, and enhances print quality, while machine learning analyzes past projects to suggest design improvements. The result? Higher efficiency, reduced waste, and better outcomes for complex parts. We are also seeing greater adoption of large format 3D printing. This technology enables the production of large components or multiple parts in a single run, saving time and costs while enabling new possibilities in industries like construction and aerospace. Finally, on-demand manufacturing is reshaping production models. Instead of relying on centralized factories, companies can now produce parts as needed, closer to where they're required. Platforms like Makerverse make this possible, connecting businesses with a global network of additive manufacturing suppliers for fast, reliable sourcing. We are at the forefront of this transformation, offering advanced manufacturing solutions tailored to your needs. Let's shape the future together. And also, as always, don't forget to follow us on social media for more manufacturing tips.